Uvalde is located within the Texas Hill Country, being situated near the southwestern portion of this amazing area, which features lakes, rivers, canyons, exotic ranches, abundant wildlife, and historic towns discovered along winding roads. Uvalde, once called Encina, was established in 1855 by Reading Wood Black of New Jersey. The name was changed a year later in 1856 to honor the Spanish general Juan de Uvalde. The self-guided walking tour takes you to 64 points of interest, including the Opera House and Kincaid Hotel. Uvalde is home to John Nance Garner, known as Cactus Jack. Garner served as VP from 1933 to 1941 under President Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Look for this historical marker in Uvalde to learn about King Fisher, an outlaw turned lawman. Where to stay in Uvalde? We found the Gonzalez Guesthouse on AirBnB. The Gonzalez Guesthouse lives up to its name as being eclectic and peaceful. The room is super comfy and has everything a traveler needs. Not only are the facilities fantastic, the owners are super hospitable. We found it a 5-star stay. What happens when the Gonzalez Guesthouse is already booked? Look for the Reefer House, Marco's second listing on AirBnB. While in Uvalde, be sure to support the local eateries. We ate at 2 restaurants, the Local Fix and the Open Range Bakery and Cafe. Both are great for breakfast to get you started on your day. Texas Hill Country and Uvalde are great getaway destinations. Be sure to visit soon, and don't forget to subscribe to Sky Marble Travel.